Good morning everyone. Yesterday we have studied about delegation and its three elements: authority, responsibility and accountability. Today we are going to make a difference between these three elements: authority, responsibility and accountability. So be focused on the difference. I am explaining you on the basis of different headings. Meaning: authority means right to take decision. Authorities are rights or powers to take any decision or to command on subordinates. Responsibility is the obligation. Obligation means duty to perform the assigned task, which is assigned by a superior to subordinate. Accountability. Accountability means answerability for the final outcome of the assigned task. Clear? Now, delegation. Yes, authority can be delegated from superior to subordinate. Responsibility cannot be delegated completely. Responsibility cannot be delegated completely. Ultimately, superior will be responsible. Accountability cannot be delegated at all because it is absolute in nature. It cannot be delegated. Then flow. Authority flow downward from superior to subordinate. Responsibility flows upward from subordinate to superior. Ultimately, superior is responsible. Accountability flows upward from subordinate to superior. Ultimate answerability will be of the superior. Then origin. Authority arises from the formal position in the organization. Authorities are arises on the basis of position on the scalar chain in the organization. Responsibility arises from delegation of authority. As authorities are delegated to someone, now it will become his responsibility to complete the assigned task. Accountability. Accountability originates from responsibility or task assigned. When someone is given some responsibility, now that person will be accountable for the final outcome of the responsibility. So students, this is the difference between authority, responsibility and accountability. I hope now all the doubts regarding authority, responsibility and accountability are clear to all of you. Even then, if you have any confusion, you can discuss with me. Now, students, we are going to discuss the next topic, that is importance of delegation. Students, delegation is the key element of effective management. So, let's start with the first importance, effective management. In the organization, managers have to perform a number of activities and sometimes they get overburdened. They are not able to manage all the activities. That's why they can delegate some of the routine nature work to their subordinates and give their attention to the very important matters of the organization. In this way, routine nature work is completed as well as important matters are also given due attention and whole organization is managed effectively. So in this way you can say delegation is very much helpful in the effective management. Now the second importance of delegation is employee development. Through delegation of authority, employees are given task of the managers and employees uses their talent and creativity in completion of the task assigned to them. In this way, they are very much expert in performing the task of managers and in the future, if need arises, they can be promoted at the higher post. In this way, delegation result in the employee development. Now, next importance of delegation is motivation of employees. Delegation is very important source of the motivation of the employees. When a task is assigned by a manager to a subordinate, it is a matter of status and recognition for the employee. An employee uses all his talent and skill and try to complete the work with full responsibility. A feeling of dedication arises among employees and he feels very motivated and complete the work with full dedication. So in this way, delegation is a source of motivation for the employees. So next point is facilitation of growth. Delegation is helpful in the growth and expansion of the organization because through a delegation, trained and expert personnel are available who are ready to take leading position in the new ventures and projects of the organization. Next point is basis of management hierarchy. Management hierarchy means three levels of management. Delegation is the basis of management hierarchy because top level management is not able to complete every task related to organization. That's why they have given some of the authorities to middle level management and some of the authorities to lower level management. So in this way, through delegation, these three levels, top, middle and lower, are created. So we can say for the management hierarchy, delegation is the basis. Then last point is better coordination. There are three elements of delegation. You are very much aware: authority, responsibility and accountability, which means powers, duty and answerability, which are connected to each and every job in the business organization. Now, everyone who are sitting at any of the post in the organization, they are very much clear about their powers, their duties, their answerability, which results in no overlapping of activity, no duplication of activity. Everyone is clear that to whom they have to report. In this way, complete coordination is created between every department as well as at all the levels of management. So here, this point is also over. So we can say that delegation is the key element of effective management. And here the topic is over. I hope the topic is clear to all of you. Even then, if you have any query, you can discuss with me. Thank you, class.